excited.
You're really excited? First one's chosen. You stoked?
Yes.
Good. Give it up for DJ Smith.
Okay, let's keep it going here. Bella?
The second finalist moving on to Sunday night's finale is... Starly and Chris!
Starly and Chris, what is going through your heads right now?
I don't know, I'm just so excited.
Good. Starly and Chris, everybody.
And now we're down to 4 finalists left on stage and only 1 spot left on Sunday night's finale. Zendaya, I need a name.
Here we go. The third and final contestant moving on to Sunday night's finale is... Team Identity!
That was legitimately intense, and you guys seemed incredibly relieved to make it through. How excited are you right now?
Wow, that's amazing. That's crazy.
Yeah?
Thank you so much.
I'm more excited than when I saw Justin Bieber.
Yo, thank you so much because we worked so hard and came so far to this end. We just want to thank the judges for voting for us to move through. Thank you.
Congratulations.